Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this sleek curly hair bun. This hairstyle is just like amazing, especially now in the summer that it is super hot. You kind of just don't want hair in front of your face sometimes, and this is just like, this is perfect. So if you guys want to learn how to create this sleek bun for curly hair, then just keep watching. So this is what we are working with today. I just kind of wet my hair a little bit, so my hair is a little bit damp, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do my sleek bun with curly hair. So the first thing that I do is that I actually part my hair. So I'll do like a middle part for this one. Sometimes I like doing a side part. That's actually really nice as well. But today I'm kind of feeling the middle part. So just make sure that the part looks very clean, and you can actually bring it back a little bit more too. Guys, I have a couple of very interesting videos that are coming up. I actually have some collaborations coming up with some really cool brands. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe so that you don't miss any of the videos that are coming up. I am so excited, like literally I just can't believe what's about to happen in my channel. So it's a surprise, okay? It's a surprise, but make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on the surprise. So what I like to use for my buns is actually this brush. You need a brush that's really gonna help smooth out your hair, because you can't just do it with like a comb like this. It's just not gonna work. It's gonna leave your hair a little bit wavy. I mean, if you like that look, go for it, but this is gonna be a very sleek curly bun. So I actually want my hair to be a little bit more wet, especially up here. So I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit, and I'm just gonna leave my hair like this in the bottom, like just a little bit damp. But I'm gonna wet my hair, especially up here. And a lot of you guys have been asking me where I got this spray bottle. This was from REVAIR. I did a collaboration with them. If you haven't watched that video, go check it out. It's just like this huge blow dryer. Let me show you guys. It's actually right here. It's like this huge blow dryer right here. I actually have it right here. But if you haven't watched that video, go check it out. I'll link it down below. But I can actually link a similar bottle to this one down below if you guys are interested in purchasing a spray bottle like this. I'm also gonna link down below the brush and everything I use in my videos. I always link down below in the description box everything I use in my videos, because I know some of you guys might want to buy it to recreate the look or whatever. So now I'm going to use this DevaCurl light defining gel. So you can use just like any type of gel that you have at home, but I like to add a little bit of gel to my hair just to smooth everything out a little bit more. So I like to especially do that like right on top, like right here, and then whatever is left I'll just bring down to the curls that are down here. So I start from the top like this. Oh, this smells so good. This smells so good. Like literally this is like amazing. I love it to curl my hair too. I apply some on the top and then I just work my way down. Now I'm just going to brush the hair the most I can. You see that? Like just start to brush your hair. That gel really helps like smooth everything out. You see what I'm doing? So just brush, brush, brush. I'm wearing these hoop earrings because this hairstyle looks so good with hoop earrings. Like if you do this messy bun, wear hoop earrings because it just looks so cool. I like to hold my hair like this so that I can just smooth it out and hold it. So smooth it out and hold it. You see what I'm doing? Smooth it out and hold it. So I think that helps a lot with not having any bumps on your hair. Once you feel like your hair looks pretty smooth, we're just gonna tie it. I'm gonna use this scrunchie and just tie my hair the tightest I can, so like that. Okay, so now I'm going to brush the front one more time just so that it is like very smooth. So then what I like to do is that I like to add just a little bit of hairspray. Just a little bit. And then I like to brush it one more time. And then I like to take some bobby pins and just clip back here. And then I'll put one more back here, like right before the ponytail, just so that everything can look even more smooth. So as you can see, it's looking pretty smooth. This is what the front is looking like so far. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take my curls and just kind of wrap it around the bun, just like very natural, like messy look. So once you feel like you've had a nice little bun that you're satisfied with, you're gonna go in with an elastic or just like a regular ponytail, and you're going to open it the biggest you can. This one's very small, but I'm gonna try and open it the most I can, and I'm gonna grab my bun with this, so like that, and just put the elastic over it, so like that. You can even just leave it like that because it's like very secure, it's like not moving or anything. But I want this bun to be a little bit messier, so I'm gonna just open it up a little bit. So just use bobby pins to like really secure the curls and the bun, or just to kind of like make the bun however you want it to look. So as you can see, the bun is right there, and then the sleek look in the front. So kind of like a big bun and then the sleek look. So I hope you guys like this tutorial, this sleek bun for curly hair, and I hope you guys recreate it. If you do, DM me on Instagram, or I don't know, follow me on Instagram if you haven't followed me. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you like this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.